Okay, the average drive to work is 5.3 miles. Assume the standard deviation is 0.8 miles. If a random sample of 40 employed people who drive to work are selected, find probably that the mean of the sample miles driven to work is between 5 and 6 miles. And there's a notation. Convert the answer to percentage, round to the hundredth. On this, you have to see if you're talking about a single whatever or many whatevers. So let me put this back. Well, we're not talking about a single whatever, in this case, people, because they're saying we're taking a look at 40 people. So we got the many whatevers. So we'll be looking at this right here. Okay, so let me write down what they give us. The mean is 5.3, the average. Standard deviation is 0.8. And N is how many we're talking about. So we're talking about 40 people. And we're finding probability that it's between 5 and 6. Now, this is the last case. Last case is when it's between two numbers. So, based upon that, my smaller number is my A. So A is 5 and B is equal to 6. And now we're just going to go through and plug in everything into this form. Now that's sometimes it can be tricky with all the closing parentheses and everything, but equals norm dot dist beginning parentheses B, which we said was 6, comma mean, which is 5.3, comma standard deviation, which is 0.8, divided by square root of n, so square root of 40. Now I put the closing parentheses for the square root. You got to make sure you put that on there. And then true. So as my Excel comes back. Okay. I don't know why my computer is doing that every now and then. There we go. Sorry about that. Closing parentheses after the true minus norm.dist A, which A was 5, comma, mean, which is 5.3, comma, 0.8 divided by the square root of 40, closing parentheses after the 40, comma, true. To change this to percent form, you move your decimal point 2 places to the right, and then round as appropriate.